Hello guys, Sam here from Sam Electric. In this video, I'll show you how to connect forward reverse switch with VFD. Here I'm using single phase 220 volt CNC VFD, 3-phase motor and forward reverse switch. At first, we have to connect 220 volt input to VFD. For that I am using DP-MCB and a earth link. Now connect phase and neutral wire in MCB and earth wire in earth link. And then connect output of the MCB in VFD. Now connect VFD output in motor. Power wiring is completed. Now we have to connect control wiring to control VFD from external forward reverse switch. In external forward reverse switch there are 3 switches. One is NC switch for stop, one is NO switch for forward, and other one is NO switch for reverse. In VFD control circuit terminal, there is a GND terminal. Connect a wire from GND terminal to 1 number terminal of NC switch, and then loop the to 3 number terminal of forward NO switch and then loop to 3 number terminal of reverse NO switch. After that, connect a wire in DI1 terminal in control terminal and connect it to 2 number terminal of NC switch. Now connect a wire in DI2 number terminal to 4 number terminal of forward NO switch. After that connect a wire in DI3 number terminal to 4 number terminal of reverse NO switch. Control wiring is completed. Now it's time to set parameters in VFD to control from external switch. Let's see how to set parameters in VFD. At first, press program switch in VFD and then go to P0, 0, 2 and select 1. Then click enter. After that go to P4, 0, 0, DI1 and select 3. Then click enter. And then go to P4, 0, 1, DI2 and select 1. Then click enter. Now go to P4, 0, 2, DI3 and select 2. Then click enter. After that go to P4 to 11 and select 1. Then click enter. These are the parameters we have to set for external switch control. If you learned something from this video, like the video and leave a comment below. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.